Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're upgrading this Mk7 Golf R with the VW Clubsport kit. So there's a lot to talk about in this video in regards to the specs of the kit and the differences between the standard parts and the VW. So let's get the car in the workshop, let's remove the standard suspension, and then we'll show you it side by side with the VWs. Okay, so you saw us remove the factory suspension from the car, which we've got here next to us, and we're ready to install the new VW suspension. So just to talk you through some of the differences. So this is obviously a VW Clubsport V3 kit. So the V3 comes from 3 different adjustments. So you've got the ride height, so it's got a coilover adjustment where you can get the ride height of each corner to how you want it. And then it has the rebound and the compression adjustability. Compression is how quickly the suspension is allowed to compress, and then rebound is how quickly it's allowed to extend back out. So on the VW kit, it's adjustable. So looking at the front damper, we have the compression adjustment, which is on this external canister here, and then we have the rebound adjustment, which is accessible on the top of the damper. And then the VW Clubsport kit is a little bit different to the normal V3s, and it has a external reservoir here to increase the fluid capacity, because if you're using any dampers on the track where you obviously have a lot of energy involved, then there's a lot of heat that goes into the oil or the fluid that's inside the damper, and if it heats up too much, it can start to lose performance. And we've got the OE damper here just next to us. So one of the bigger differences as well, other than just the adjustability and of the rebound compression damping and the ride height, is you've got this adjustable top mount as well. And what this allows us to do is to move the damper inboard or outboard of the wheel arch to allow us to either increase or decrease the camber. So generally on these cars, negative camber, you want to run around about the 3.5 degree mark on the front of the vehicle, depending on what tires you're using as well as the rest of the build. And what this does as well with the top mount is it eliminates all the compliance from the factory rubber bush as well. So you get a more direct feeling from the front end of the vehicle. And then because we're going to be reducing the ride height as well, we've got some different roll bar lengths. So what this allows us to do is to set the roll bar length correctly so the roll bar isn't preloaded. And then moving over to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the factory rear damper here. And as well on the rear damper of the VW kit, you've got the external reservoir, you've got the compression, and then the rebound adjustment. And replacing the rear spring on this particular vehicle is a VW rear spring assembly where you've got the ride height adjustment in the top as well. As well as having the ride height adjustment in the front, you've got the ride height adjustment in the back, so you can get the car nicely corner weighted and get the car looking how the customer wants as well. So if you've got any questions about the VW kit or any suspension topics, drop us a comment and be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.